Hi everyone, how's it going? Thanks for stopping by my channel. I'm Danielle LaRocca and I'm here to talk to you. So I'm super excited because I got the Makeup Revolution and Alexis Stone Instinct Palette. Now I have not played with this yet, and I've obviously heard of Makeup Revolution, but I haven't really played around with their palettes before. I've used their concealer and their eye primer, and I had one other palette that I just filmed a video with yesterday. So I am super excited to do a look with this palette. So if you would like to see the look that I create, then go ahead and stay tuned. Before we dive into the video, I just wanted to say a quick thank you to you guys for stopping by my channel. I don't know how you got here, but regardless, thank you so much. I appreciate it so much. And we're gonna have some fun creating a look today with the Alexis Stone Instinct Palette. And this is what it looks like. I'm super excited. These colors look amazing. This palette is really nice, but stay tuned till the end because I will give my final thoughts and my review about this palette. How did it perform? What did I think of it? All that good stuff. So make sure that you guys stick around till the end of the video. So let's go ahead and get started. I am gonna prime my eyes. I'm just gonna be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter eye primer. It looks like this is becoming a trend on my channel. I never used to do my eyes first, but it's kind of growing on me, especially for palettes that I haven't used before because I don't know how fallout is and I just don't want to mess up my foundation. So I am going to do my eyes first. Okay, so I am loving all of these colors, like legit. And I would like to use all of these colors, but I'm kind of wanting to do like a yellow and green kind of look. So I think I'm gonna play around and do that. And then maybe in another video, I'll do some other looks with the other colors, or maybe this might turn into like a 2 or 3 look video. We'll just have to see. But I'm gonna start out with this second to the last green shade, and I'm gonna put that in my crease. And I'm not being rude, I'm sorry, I have a mirror right here, so if you catch me looking over here, that's why. But I will do my best to look into the camera.
Living underneath the covers, mess with my head. I guess I'm just another lover. I don't wanna sit and talk about it up all night, 'cause I know the games you're gonna play to try to change my mind. Walk away and I won't ask you any questions. Still on your lips, I could taste a bit of heaven. 'Cause it's true that
I might end up pulling in some of the blues. I'm not sure yet. We're just kind of having fun with this. I think I'm going to take this top yellow shade right here, and I'm gonna put that in my inner corners.
sugar isn't sweeter, sweeter. Chase you down, I wanna learn my lesson. You make me sick, but I can't seem to medicate it. 'Cause it's true that the grass ain't always greener, greener.
Okay, and then I want to take this second to the lightest yellow shade, and I'm gonna kind of blend that in above the green.
On the other side. On the other side.
And then I want to take this like second to the last shade, and again put that up here and sort of blend it in with the green.
Questions still on your lips, I could taste a bit of heaven. 'Cause it's true that the sugar isn't sweeter. Just you know I won't ever learn my lesson. You make me sick, but I can't seem to medicate it. 'Cause it's true that
Okay, I think next what I want to do is take the top green shade and put that on my lid.
grass ain't always greener on the other side. On the other side. I don't wanna sit and talk about it all night. 'Cause I know the games you're gonna play to try to change my mind.
And then I'm going to go back into the original shade that we took in the beginning and just make this part a little bit darker.
Walk away and I won't ask you any questions. Still on your lips, I could taste a bit of heaven. 'Cause it's true that the sugar isn't sweeter.
And then for the bottom lashes, I want to take this top blue color and line the inner corner of my bottom lash.
Just you know I won't ever learn my lesson. You make me sick, but I can't seem to medicate it. 'Cause it's true that the grass ain't always greener on the other side.
And I kind of want to take a darker color, so let's go to one below that one and we'll line the rest of our outer under lashes. Okay, so I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup off camera and I will be right back and I will be giving my final thoughts on the palette. Okay, everybody, I am back. This is the finished look. I have to say, I reviewed the Brave Spirit palette from Makeup Revolution, so make sure to check out that video as well because my thoughts on that palette are going to be very different than this one. So here we are. We used the Makeup Revolution and Alexis Stone Instinct Palette. Again, this is what it looks like. And I have to say, I feel like they blended out very nicely. They did not look muddy. In the Brave Spirit palette, some of the colors that I used, there was a purple, well, you just watch the video and find out, but these are not muddy. They were easily blendable. I will say that the darker colors seem a little bit more pigmented than the lighter shades, which is completely fine because, I mean, you could use the lighter shades like how kind of we did, like an accent or a transition shade. There was no fallout on my face. However, there was fallout in the pans. To me, that's not a big deal. If I ever did get fallout on my face, I just simply take a bronzer brush and kind of sweep under, and that usually does the trick for me. Like I said, I normally do my foundation in my face first, and I don't really ever have any problems. But today, when I did my eyes first, I did not have any fallout. Aesthetically, this palette is gorgeous. So many pretty colors. I can't wait to play with the reds and the pinks and the purples and the blues, just the ones that we haven't done today. This has a huge mirror. and I absolutely love it. You can look at your whole face in there. And then just this palette in general, like it's pretty thick. It's very nice, and like there's a heaviness to it. I mean, it's not heavy, it's pretty light, but you know what I mean? There's got some weight to it. And it just, I love the letters and the packaging. It's a cool little palette, and I'm pretty happy that I got it. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel. If you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to my channel easily when my face pops up down at the bottom, and I would really appreciate that. Please don't forget to check out my other videos on the sides. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.